Alright guys, I've been a lazy ass. I haven't done a video going on 5 weeks almost. So originally, I just want to take a couple of weeks off and recharge from YouTube and kind of not think about it, but that 2 weeks turned into almost 5 weeks pretty quick. But I'm back now. I'm going to do some chicken fajitas for you guys. I'm going to do them on the Blackstone Griddle. If you don't have a griddle at your house, go ahead and use like cast iron skillet or any kind of plug-in griddle you can get from like, whatever store. But I'm using dark meat chicken thighs. I'm going to season them up. I'll show you guys how I do that. And then we're just going to throw some onions and some Serrano chilies on the griddle, kind of cook those down a little bit. And then what I'm going to put on top also is some sour cream with some Chipotles and Adobo, kind of blend them up with some honey and some lime juice, and that's pretty much going to be it. Usually I put some avocado on there, but there was none ripe at the store. But yeah, it's time to start making some videos again for you guys. Start cranking them out. Kind of feel like I'm missing making videos, but I'm back now. So check it out. All right, so this is gonna be our Chipotle sour cream. We're gonna throw in these fajitas. I got 16 ounces of sour cream, 2 limes, and some honey. And then we got a small can of Chipotles and Adobo. We're just gonna throw all this in a food processor, or if you got a blender, throw it in there. You don't have to measure anything out. Just open it up and throw it all in and blend it up. And I'm gonna leave all the exact ingredients down below, so check that out. I'm just gonna get through this pretty quick. Put about 2 tablespoons of honey in there and just blend it up. All right, so I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs we're gonna use for the fajitas. If you like white meat chicken breast, go ahead and use that, but I feel like there's more flavor with this, so that's what I'm using. And there's only a little bit of fat you're gonna have to cut off. As you can see, that's all I took off right there. The rest is gonna render off on the griddle. We're just cutting this into little thin strips, as you can see. And then we're just gonna throw them on the griddle. It's probably gonna take like 10 minutes or less. Just go on high heat. We're gonna throw all the veggies on there and just cook it all together, and it shouldn't take too long. And we got our rub, and I'm just gonna evenly coat it all over, then mix it up, and that's pretty much it. right, guys, there it is. Good combination of sweet, spicy, smoky. From the Chipotles, you get a little smokiness, you get some sweetness from the bell pepper and the onions. Really wasn't much to it, super easy. All we basically did was just heat some stuff up on the griddle. Really easy to do. You guys should try this out. I'll list everything detailed in the description below. But I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Dude, seriously, if anything, make that Chipotle sour cream. It's bomb.